Where am I going?
To jail.
For what?
Battery or police officer.
I didn't touch neither one of y'all. I didn't touch nobody. Why am I going to jail for a battery?
What began as a routine traffic stop for speeding quickly took a turn when Lake County Police pulled over a 24-year-old woman for doing 18 over the speed limit. During the stop, officers discovered she was driving with a suspended license, had no proof of insurance, and was allegedly in possession of cannabis. When the officer asked her to step out of the vehicle, the suspect began resisting.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Deputy Stern with the Lake County Sheriff's Office. I'm stopping you for a couple reasons, okay? The first one was your speed. So you were going 58 and a 40 back there, okay? Okay. So I had you on radar 58 and a 40, okay? Is this your vehicle?
No, this is my mom's.
Your mom's vehicle? Okay. So the rear registration light is out on the vehicle right now, so you got to get that fixed up, okay? And then you're not wearing your seatbelt. Is there?
No, I took it off.
You took the seatbelt off? Okay. I got you. Okay. How much weed do you have in the car right now?
I don't have no weed.
Just that? Okay. I got you. Do you have your license on? No. Is it suspended, revoked? It's suspended? Okay. Do you have insurance on the car?
Yes, it's insurance on the car.
Okay. Where's your mom live at? North Chicago. Okay.
She gonna have to come?
We'll see. I mean, when did your license get suspended?
I'm going to court for it right now. I gotta go to court next month.
You gotta go to court next month?
Yeah. I'm right here down the street, bro. Literally.
What do you mean right here down the street?
I'm telling my mama.
Okay. You got that the insurance with you, or?
Yeah, it's on my phone.
So this one did just expire. Looks like September 1st.
Oh, he didn't send me the new one because he said the insurance expired. But all three of these cars are. I'm looking at the one that's.
You're good. I'll give you some time to look for that, okay? So right now
this is the one he sent me.
You're good. I'll give you some time to find the updated one, okay?
Tell him send me
All
the new
right, do
one.
me a favor though and step out, okay?
Step out the car for what?
Yeah. Well, number one, you can't drive because your license is suspended.
Okay, so but what I'm stepping out for?
Well, you're gonna have to get out regardless, right? Because you're not gonna be able to drive the car.
Okay, but what am I getting out right now for?
Let's get out. I'm asking you to get out of the car.
I'm right here
Okay,
Sheridan.
Let's get out of the car.
Sheridan.
I'm right here on Sheridan. Right here by
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you again, or I'm gonna have to put my hands on you. Okay. Thank you.
Where's a female officer?
I don't need
put
a female
your hands on me.
Hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
351
Oh, I swear to God, bro. I'm right here on Sheridan, man. I'm touching my phone.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Shut up, bitch. You ain't no dead people. I'm not fighting shit. Fuck your dead people. Man, fuck your dead people. Fuck your dead ass grandma.
61.
Your dead ass daddy. Your dead ass grandpa.
Bring you over to the grass.
Cousin. Fuck y'all. Shut the fuck up. Alright, that's fine. Yeah. Your granny. That's why they burning in hell. Dumbass. Your great grandma all they dead ass. Nah. Bitch.
Against the vehicle.
Shut the fuck up. Y'all got a lot. Please search on me. Please do a search on my dad. Do one. On my mama. Do one.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Do one. No. You touching me? You touching on my your
I'm
door? Is
using the belt
on? Is your camera on? Is your camera on?
Okay. Let's slide on there.
No. Okay, it don't matter. What the f is a female?
I don't need one. Slide in there for me. Okay, you don't
So
want
mad ass.
That's fine. Put your foot in right now.
Alright, I'll drive.
Put in, we're going to drag you in the car. Put your feet in, we're going to drag you in the car.
So mad ass. You sound retarded with so goofy ass. Where am I going?
To jail.
For what?
Battery or police officer.
I didn't touch neither one of y'all. I didn't touch nobody. Why am I going to jail for a battery? I didn't. Okay, but I didn't touch nobody. So why the f am I going to jail for a battery? I didn't touch you. What are you talking about? You just trying to find a ticket. I never touched you. Run them cameras back. Where did I touch you at? 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 I don't give a f about no cork in the door. Where did I touch you at? Where did I touch you? Where did I touch you? When did I touch you? Just clown shit. Shut your dumb ass up. Your dead people, bitch. Lying. Just lying. When the f I touch you. I never touched you. Two of y'all. How my little ass touch you? Your ass ain't got shit better to do. Huh?
Is your address 23?
No, I don't know what the address is. Figure it out. If I touched you, figure it out. You won't get shit up out of me. Take me to the station. You won't get shit out of me. You won't get shit out of me. You just said I'm going to jail for a battery. You just said I'm going to jail for a battery. So take me there for the battery. I want to see you take me to jail for a battery right now. Come on, let's go. Cause bitch, you're not getting shit up out of me. Let's go. Let's go to the station. Give me the battery. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let me see you get away with this battery. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me see you get away with this battery. Let's go. Your clown ass on. Take me to the station. I'll get a ass my answers. You won't get shit up out of me. You talking about y'all can't even tow her car. She got insurance on her car. What you mean? How the f is you towing her car? Nah, shut the f up. Take me to jail, like you said, so I can get booked and get out. What you mean? So I get booked and get out. So I get who getting screened for a felony? You really finna sit up here and lie. You really finna sit up here and lie and say I put my hands up on you. You finna really sit up here and lie, huh? Okay, let's do it. Come on. I don't got shit else to say to you. Let's do it. Let's do it. It don't even matter. I hope your cameras was on the whole time. I hope they were. Baby, I don't got shit to worry about. I didn't lift the finger at your ass. What you mean? Can we go? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
She clears.
Exactly. No warrants. None of that shit. What you mean? None of that shit. None of that shit, dummy. Clown. Now let's see you try to put this battery up on me, dummy. Gonna sue the out this motherfucker. Let's do it. On my dad, let's do it. I need some money. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. You so mad. You trying to find something. You better stay on the phone with that state's attorney. You so much mad. Ooh. You so fucking mad. Aha. Aha. Tell the state's attorney how you on that phone. Line. We can watch the cameras together. Aha. Aha. Mad ass. You cracker. Hell nah.
Explain your charges to you?
Vámonos, let's go.
Okay, you don't want to hear your charges?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I hope you ready to. I hope you got your lie on top of your lie, on top of your lie, on top of your lie. Because that's all you finna have to keep on doing. And I hope that shit makes sense. I really hope it makes sense. Let's go.
You know what makes sense?
Your lie. Come on. Let's go. I really hope your battery story makes sense. I want to hear your story. Let's start there. The charges. Let's hear the battery story. How did it start? How did it happen, sir? Let's start there. Come on. Go your dumb ass to this station.
In the end, the 24-year-old suspect was taken into custody and charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer, driving while license suspended, resisting arrest, operating a vehicle without insurance, and improper transportation of cannabis. According to authorities, she was later released from custody and is scheduled to appear in court on November 18th. As with all criminal cases, the charges are allegations, and the suspect is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this body cam footage, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads.